Wipers play a big part in keeping your windscreen clean and looking its best, because so many driving decisions are based on what your driver can see. It is important to have wipers that are working as they should. At O'Brien, we recommend changing wipers about once a year, and the brand we recommend is Bosch. Your wipers will need replacing if they are leaving streaks on your windscreen, if they're not wiping a section properly, or if they're rattling. As windscreen wipers are continually exposed to heat, frost and dirt, the blades deteriorate over time and lose their effectiveness. To get the most out of your new wipers and keep your windscreen looking crystal clear, there are a few things you can do. Make sure you clean the windscreen and the wiper rubbers regularly. While you are doing that, check the level of the windscreen washer and give it a top up if it's a bit low. And finally, remove leaves and coarse dirt before using your wipers. When you get your windscreen replaced or repaired at O'Brien, we can check your wipers. If you do need new ones, you can buy them from us and we can fit them at the same time. Just let us know when you book in for your service.